Hi, I'm Paris. I'm the general manager here at 760 Fitness, and right now I'm standing in front of the Synrgy360 rig. So another thing we're going to touch on is our TRX straps. They look complicated, they're not. They're really great at helping assist you through movements and increase the difficulty of your body weight. We're going to start with a standard squat and we'll build from that movement. Grabbing your straps, stepping back so those elbows stay nice and close to the side. We don't want to be hanging on them for this movement. Feet are slightly wider than hip width. Chest is up, gaze is forward. We're sinking down in those heels. Let those arms come away from you a little bit. Driving through those heels, standing up. And we're here. Think about those straps giving you a little support through the movement, helping your balance, and guiding you through. So another movement is a movement for our back that are in our upper body. On this, the closer your feet are to that pivot point, so underneath the TRX, the harder it's gonna be. So walking your feet forward until you feel a good degree of work is gonna happen. Letting those arms come out, bringing those elbows back behind you, pulling that chest forward, gaze is up. Squeeze those shoulder blades together as you do this. Don't let your shoulders creep towards your ears. My core is nice and tight, so my hips aren't sagging out behind me. My back stays flat. We're going to combine those two movements that we just learned, starting in that same position you did for the row, and you're going to squat down here. As you come up, then you're rowing forward. Breathing through the whole time, keeping weight in those heels on that squat, not tipping forward onto our tiptoes. Last variation, moving around to the front of our body for that chest press, push-up type movement. You're in between the straps, walking forward into them. Let those elbows come back behind you. Step those feet back. Remember, the further those feet are right underneath the TRX, the more work it's gonna be. Dropping down, just like we would for a push-up. Core is nice and tight. Elbows are staying close to the body. So we really hope you like these videos, and if you did, please let us know in the comments. There's hundreds of different workouts you can do on this. So we can do videos all day long for you. We just wanted to touch on some. But as intimidating as it can look, be creative. Come over here, have fun, move your bodies in different ways, get familiar with it. We hope you enjoy it.